Hi there, check out the Natwind 2-tier stackable paper tray, a perfect metal mesh desktop organizer. This versatile paper sorter features a unique laddered shape that makes picking up files easy and efficient. You can stack multiple trays to maximize storage space or use them separately for convenience. Assembly is simple and tool-free, just stack the trays one by one. Made with high-density metal mesh and thick wood boards, it offers durability and sturdiness. Each tray is 2.6 inches high, providing ample space for papers and office supplies. Keep your home, office, or school desk clean and organized with this stylish retro paper sorter. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.